Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. And today we're going to continue our series on child support. I know we've been doing a lot of these, but we're fielding a lot of questions based on our article about the new law that's going into effect on July 1st, 2017. So a lot of these are responses to the comments on that article. So if you have more questions, please leave comments. We will respond. If we haven't done a video on them, we'll do a video on it. But today's video is going to talk about how child support is calculated if the obligor, the person who has to pay the child support, has multiple families. So if he's got a previous child support obligation, he or she has a previous child support obligation, how does that affect the next child support obligation for a different mother or a different father? So the way this works, the way you have to understand it, is that under both the law that's in effect in early 2017 when we're recording this, and also the law that's going to go into effect on July 1, 2017, net income of the obligor is really important. That's what child support is based on. So under the current law that's going to be in effect until July 1st, 2017, you just take a percentage of the net income of the obligor based on and the percentage goes up based on the number of children. Under the new law, there's an income shares model, and we've got an extensive discussion about this on our website, but the bottom line is that the income of the person receiving child support is taken into account, and you look at the relative income of the two parties. But under both laws, the net income is really the determining factor of how much child support you're going to pay. It's some percentage of that. So the key to understanding child support for multiple families is understanding the difference between gross income and net income. Gross income is everything that you take in before deducting certain allowed expenses. And we're not going to do, at learn-about-law.com, we've got a list of what all those expenses are. But one of those expenses that you can deduct from gross income to arrive at net income is previous child support obligations. So the first child to receive child support, if there's multiple children from multiple families, the first child to receive child support is going to have a bigger piece of the pie to draw from, because the net income is going to be larger. Whatever the net income when that first child support order is entered, regardless of what state it is, whatever that net income is going to be a larger amount the first time around. Then when the second order is entered, the child support obligation that the obligor is already paying to the first family is deducted from their net income to arrive at a new net income figure for the new child support order. So basically, the first family that gets a child support order entered has a bigger piece of the pie, a larger net income, because prior child support obligations are deducted from your gross income when arriving at your net income for the current child support order that the court would be entering. So that's a little bit arcane, but there's a lot of I'm throwing a bunch of calculations around, but it's basically as simple as we're looking at how much money you make, and the amount of money you make is reduced by prior child support obligations if you're having a new child support order entered. So that's the bottom line. If you have questions, please leave a comment. We're happy to flesh this out in future videos. Like I said, we've got a ton of videos about child support at learn-about-law.com, but we do videos and articles on nearly every subject. This just happens to be the hot topic for 2017 since the law is changing. If you'd like to call us to schedule a free consultation, you can call us at 630-324-6666. We do almost every area of law. We are up to 6 attorneys now, and between the 6 of us, there's not much that we don't handle. And again, go to learn-about-law.com to check out videos, articles, and podcasts on just about every area of law. We put one of these out every week. You can also check out seizeyourbusiness.com for my podcast geared towards business owners, where we interview a business owner every week to learn the secrets to their success. I want to thank Tom Weiler from Weiler Studios for doing our video for us today. If you ever need videography, he's a great guy to use for it. WeilerStudios.com, Weiler with a Y is his website. So thank you for that, Tom, and thank you so much for listening.